My name is Maro Famade, and this is my project 2 video demo link. So I'll try to get by it as fast as I could, because well, I don't want to waste your time, and I hope you're having a good day behind the screen. Alright, I'm gonna dive right into it. So for my project 2, I made a specified API option, and I used the Jikan unofficial MyList API for my API. I'm interested in like animes and manga and all of those, so I was like, yeah, that's cool. I could probably do that. So let's go to my web page right about now. Okay, so the name of my web page is the name of my my web page is called Aniverse, like animation universe put together. And let's go through the rubric real quick, so I won't miss a bit of anyone. Let's see. Alright, yeah, my audience are people who are interested in animations, comics, anything that really like anime, manga. I mean, if you're a fan of both of those, I would say probably this website fits your interest, I would say. And alright, okay, so let's see. Apologize for this. Yeah, alright, yeah, I think I covered that. I'm using the Jikan API, and yeah, we could go there. So the part 2, you will save the last term searched by the user in the local browser storage. Yeah, so due to safety, well, and nudity reasons, because Jikan how I say, the Jikan API is broad in the areas it cover. Like, I try to exclude X-rated stuff, like anything like nudity involved. I exclude it from my searches, like my search request, but it helped out 50-50%, which is it was very interesting, because you can never, how will I say, based on the search you made, you can never eliminate one or the other. It's like they are closely knitted together. So I'm just gonna go for a safe search now that I researched. So I'm gonna just go put my hero, well, yeah, my hero, and it pops up, it shows up as my hero, and it remembers the last search you did. So right here, if you if you reload the button and you tap my search, tap to search again. Oh, interesting. Yeah, I fixed it. I believe I fixed it. That was that was a bit strange. So I'm gonna continue from where I left off. So we're gonna test my search. Right, as of now I didn't search anything, so I'm gonna tap search now, and to show up with, like, it's gonna search up a no character in the search query. Right there it is, you see it right there, it says no. There you go, it's search for no as a default. Alright, now we're gonna test searching for a particular search term. I'm gonna search for hero. No, what, let me search Naruto, that might be better. Alright, took me to Naruto. And now I'm gonna close the window and I'm gonna open it back up and see how it goes. Copy the link, close the window completely, open a new one and paste it back. And let's see what it gives us. Yeah, it gives us, we came back to Naruto again. Just good, that's good. Alright, so as of now, I didn't save the controls though, and I'm glad it's not a requirement. If not, that would take that would take some maybe 30 minutes for me to figure it out, like with no errors, of course. Right. Let's see. Okay, the required control. So for my project, I got 4 required controls. Well, I don't. You know what? Let me go through it real quick. So there'll be minimum of 3 controls. Search button, which does not count, so we can take that out. The search term field that the user types into. Yes, I have a search term field right here. Then I have a pull down for the limit. That's the second one. And said there's supposed to be an additional control. So for an additional control, I chose the pagination button. Like of now, if I press next button, it takes me to the next page, and if I press the previous button, it takes me to the previous page. For now, I'm gonna stick with using Naruto and Hero because they're one of the safe searches on the API. Because as I was saying, I try to exclude genres like erotica or any NS, what do you call it, NSFW, nudity themes, but due to the API broadness, it couldn't like eliminate most of them. So I'm sticking with the safe searches for now. So it wouldn't be flagged by YouTube. Alright. Okay, let's see. Rating put down. Alright. I got 1, 2, got the 3, and also I got, you can either search by manga. So right here, if you as you see, we're on the page of anime, right? If you go here, you can switch to manga. So if you switch to manga, you're gonna search entirely like anything related to manga. And if you switch back to anime, you can search anything related to anime, which is pretty cool. That was something I did. So as of now, if you're in anime, you can get these options. You can get the OVA, the movie, the special, the owner, the music, and you can also search by so I did mine search by category, search by order, and search by sort by. In the sort by, you can get the title, the start date, the end date, the score, and the popularity of what you were looking for. Alright, apologize, a bit sleepy. Okay, now we're gonna test this out. So so it's how will I say? So so you could see the difference. So as of now, I believe Naruto got a lot of movies, so we can search the movie. And also, yeah, depending on the limit for your request, if the limit is big and the amount that it searches is less than your limit, it can't, how will I say, it comes up as like a failed search result. So in this case, I would say most of the safe bets you can get in like getting your searches is the limit of 5 to 10. In if you search for manga, usually you get like, you can get at least 25 or more, or like I'll say 15. But I'll say, yeah, if you wanna like search faster, don't waste your time searching for stuff, I'll say 5, 10, 15 is the recommended search, except in extreme cases. Okay, see. Okay, now we go to movie and we search by title. Naruto. I mean, I can tap it either way and it's gonna work, but I'd like to do it again. Alright, it took us to the Naruto movie, which is nice. That's very nice. And now I'm gonna switch over to the manga site, and these other ones should also switch over to change into like the movie. The order by should should change with the category, right? Manga, perfect. It changed with the category. There's a novel, manga, one shot, maha, and it's still the same for the sort by though. But now let's try searching for the manga. Yes, it came up with the manga. That is good. Let's see if there's like an X. Oh, yeah. Oof, I didn't know they had a lot of manga. That's pretty good. Alright. So I made this custom interface using like linear gradient with the background colors, and it worked out well. I also made it like a pop-up that switch colors and hovers, so like the user can know where to tap after they finish like typing up stuff. Alright, let's see. And yeah, usually if I don't know if I could do it now because the local storage is still on, but it tells you if there's nothing to search, it just search up stuff directly for you, because the default local that I saved is no. Alright. And also for my design, I made it in a way that it just shows you the picture, you know, it captures you. Then as you hover on it, the title appears and the information appears too. And I use the information of my result. I use like, I display the status of the current movie and or manga, and it tells me it's finished here for some reason. I said for some reason now. And it also gives me the rating, the ranking, the episode type of the manga, and also give me the genre too, which is pretty cool. So I used some 3 fonts for this, and it turned out better than I expected. Okay, let's see. So the user know the state the app's in. For example, it tells you success if you search success, but if your search is unsuccessful, let's say yeah, I don't wanna, you can try it out, but due to YouTube's nudity restrictions and all that, I would say is it's best if I don't search anything beyond Naruto or the safe searches. But yeah, also as you can see, my website is fully responsive. It expands, it wraps. You know what, let's go for 10 and see if that works. Oh yeah, that works. You know what, let's go for 25 and see. Oh, you see, like I was telling you, it tells me there's no result for Naruto because 25 exceeds the limit of what it could search currently. Yeah, you see, try tapping, and I need to go down. And see, it's very responsive, which is nice. Also, as you can see my pagination. If you tap like the previous or next, I like did the research for how it takes you to the top after you tap like a button, and that worked pretty amazing. It saves the user time to instead of like tapping next and staying below then scrolling up, it just takes the user directly to the top button, which is cool. And also I'll say I tried my best in this, and to be honest, I'll say one of the hardest part I believe was I had was on the was in the local storage part. Maybe I still have an issue around that part, but apart from that, I'll say it worked out pretty well. All right, I think I'm going to wrap this up, and that's what I have. Let's see some more stuff. Follow it according to rubric. Sorry to waste your time. Apologize. Yeah, all right. The summary is I got at least 1, 2, 3, 4. I got at least 4 controls, which is good, or maybe 5. This button does not count. Yeah, I'll say 5 search, which is nice. And I got the pagination for the additional kind of control, and also I'll say my widgets are pretty good. Let me pull up my Visual Studio Code. So this is my main. I used mostly selected options for my stuff, and yeah, I also tested it out with I also tested my code out with the HTML validator and CSS validator, and let's go check it out and see what it shows. Due to some few issues that got fixed, I fixed some errors that I had, and this is how it turned out. It turned out pretty nice. I'll say this is one of the well, best web page I've made in a while, which is good. It's a good experience. But yeah, the CSS code shows up valid, which is nice. Don't have to worry about that no more. And also the HTML page showed up nice, which is good. I also, to be honest, I don't know how to check like JavaScript code, like to validate it. So as of now, I think probably I just don't know how to check it, but I believe you can. And also thank you for helping in this project. Have a good day. Sorry, I find it strange talking in the video.